We just want to write it kind of like a set of instructions on how to solve each one. So we're going to start easy here and then work a little bit harder. So Emma has 11 fish in her aquarium. She buys 4 more fish. So if I was going to find out how many fish there were, basic math tells us we start with the 11 and we're going to add 4 more. So the expression for this particular problem would be 11 plus 4. So if I take a look at the next one, Lucia has 128 stamps and she uses 38 of them on invitations. This one, she's using something up or it's going away. So you would start with 128 and we're going to take away 38. So the expression that goes with this word problem is 128 minus 38. This one, Karla buys 5 books. Each book costs $3. Well, if we have one like this, 5 books, each one costs $3, that would be 5 times 3, or 5 times $3. That's the expression that goes with that one. And this one, 4 players share 52 cards equally. If we're sharing things equally, that is division. So this is what's being split up, is the cards. So we would take 52 and we would divide it by 4. Okay? So now what do we do if we end up having something like this one, where it's a 2-step problem? Sarah shares 12 shells with her 4 friends. She finds 6 more. So what I would suggest is you go sentence by sentence here. So first we're going to have the 12 shells shared with her 4 friends. Well, that would be division. So we would do 12 divided by 4 first. Then she finds 6 more. So it looks like then we're going to add 6 more. So in math, in order to show that this has to be done first, we put parentheses around it. So 12 divided by 4. Once we get that, then we're going to find 6 more, so we're going to add 6 more. All right, let's try another one. Jeremy has 26 pieces of gum. He gives 12 to the boys and 13 to the girls. Okay, so on this one, we start with the 26 pieces of gum. We're going to take away, but first we're going to add these two together to see how many pieces of gum he gave away. So the boys and the girls, if we add those together, then take it away from 26, and that would tell us how many pieces of gum he has left. We have one more here. Monique had $20. She spent $5 on lunch and $10 at the bookstore. There's a couple ways you could do this one. You could do the $20, and you're going to take away the $5 for lunch and then take away the $10 for the bookstore. So we could put parentheses around this part because that's going to be done first. Or I could take the $20 and I'm going to subtract. Maybe I want to just add these two together and see that those combined what that cost Monique. So in parentheses I could do the 5 for lunch plus the 10 at the bookstore. That would be 15, and I'd still take 20 minus 15. So either way, these expressions are going to work, and that's something very important to understand about math, is a lot of times there's more than one way to solve a word problem. So setting up your expression might be different than the next person, but if you both end up getting the same answer, then either expression will work.